Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Chuwi HiPad Max. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your tablet, so hold the power button for a few seconds and tap on restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. On the start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find in a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for the devices. But it's still not for your tablet. Just open the settings, choose the system and tap on the reset options. Select the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth and tap on the reset again, tap on this button again. After that, look for the device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go to the system update. If you have any updates, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your tablet on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.